now?
Yes.
Yes, he is.
Hurry up and get the recording on!
I did it.
Oh man, you just missed it!
I got it.
He got it.
Wait, you got the Thunderbolt?
Yes.
Yeah, I got the biggest one.
Alright, everybody quiet.
Hold on, I hope my computer doesn't get wet.
It should, why? You have it above the screen? That's not what I planned for you to do.
Hey,
No.
hey,
Fine.
earlier when I was in the bedroom, I was with the shades were closed, so I saw a flash. I saw a lightning bolt.
Does he have his laptop at the screen right now?
Yes.
It's away from the screen, kind of. It's pointing at the window.
Alright, are you watching? Are you watching the storm?
That would be near.
Pibble, this is a thunderstorm.
Everybody knows that. If the
Shut up.
Alright, leave him alone, Patrick. Leave him alone.
And the thunderstorm is heading north.
Alright, quiet. People probably saw that lightning bolt. Alright, people, alright. Did they record that lightning bolt?
Okay.
Patrick?
Yeah?
Put it on speaker.
It is.
Oh, it already is? Alright. Well, guys, hear me when I'm talking to you.
Yeah.
Alright,
Stop pointing at the window, Patrick.
Patrick, locate what direction it's moving towards.
I think it's heading to the north.
North?
Yes.
Is that pointing at the window?
Like, where to the north? Boston, Cambridge, where is it moving to?
Thomas, stop.
That's fine.
Wait, Thomas.
Guys, where is it moving north to?
What's that way? Thomas.
I can't see your fingers. Which way
Oh, that way.
north
Is
to?
that way north?
I don't know. It's probably moving,
No, it's moving behind the house. It's moving behind.
moving toward Rollaway.
No, north.
Yeah, that's
Going
his
this
way. So it's moving south, north, somewhere. It's moving up the, Tammy Brook.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
No.
7, 8.
How much time do we have left, Patrick?
1, 2, 3,
Come on.
We're plenty of time.
5, 6,
What?
7,
Guys,
8.
stop counting! I'm making sure that they won't Thunderbolt, so I want to make sure
It's not really a good thunderstorm, though.
Duh.
yeah.
Oh! Just saw one.
Duh.
Didn't you record the other one?
Yes!
The one earlier you recorded, it was the best one.
Oh,
I did. I recorded the one that when I just
I
made it.
didn't see a single thing.
alright, so Thomas, how many minutes are left? And
We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time.
I'm gonna turn it this way.
Nice.
You can't see a single thing.
Hey, how many minutes? And please don't tell me it malfunctioned again.
No.
It's heading on the side of
4
the
minutes,
house.
41 seconds. That's what we're on.
Thomas, that way.
Out of your house, Thomas. Thomas, that is awesome. See if you can tilt it to the side of the screen somehow so you go.
Thomas, it's that way. It's turning what?
Patrick, we can't do anything about it.
It's recording, dude.
It is.
But it's going to be very blurry. You might not see anything on the screen. Sorry about that, but Thomas is
Game
just
might. You never know, Patrick. Let's just keep
Trying our best.
that light is off, right? Like I told you to?
Yeah, it's dark.
Alright.
going straight. Huh? Tom, we can't see a single thing.
That was kind of simple. I know it was kind of a little one, but
It's on the side of a house, so we can't see
I
it.
know it was kind of a little one, but this is like the first, like, well, maybe not the first, but like, well, this is very rare. This is very rare that you get to record a thunderstorm and post it onto YouTube. It's very rare.
Whoa. Did you see that?
What?
You missed it. Look at the sky.
You have to see the first one.
Lightning bolt?
moon that lit up the sky.
You have to see the first one was up here. It was.
I know, I recorded that.
Not
The first one that was up here.
Guys, just keep...
when I was up here.
Oh, yeah. That was humongous.
Alright, guys.
I heard it. I heard this.
Okay, silence, everybody.
Wow, did you guys just see that?
Yeah.
Oh
Kinda.
my god,
Now we should go on my side.
I can see it from the kitchen window.
Okay, open the window. Okay, we're switching to Patrick's side.
Alright, don't, like... All I'm telling you is don't end it.
Why not?
It's still going on. How many minutes are left on there?
I do have to open my window.
Comment, how many minutes are left in
We're
there?
on 5 minutes. We have like...
Patrick, please be quiet so I can hear the time.
We're on 5 minutes. We have like 4 minutes left.
Alright, good.
Do you want me to open? Patrick, open it.
Alright, now people...
Here you go.
So the roommates were...
Over here, coming.
Get the phone.
Guys, please tell me you got that.
I don't know.
Got what?
Did you get the lightning bolt that just struck?
Didn't see. I don't think so. Yeah, we probably did. We probably did.
You got that one there, right?
Yeah, we probably did. We got everyone so far.
Alright, just making sure.
Patrick, bring it over here.
Alright. I'm recording with everyone.
Windows of someone else's house.
Alright, you didn't close the window, did you?
No!
Alright, good.
On another window.
Don't go to another window!
No, it's a better view.
Well, please tell me the lights are off in that one.
Yeah, no, it's the same bedroom. It's our bedrooms. Just, you know how we have 3 windows?
Just keep recording, whatever you do.
Because it's heavy.
We're on 7 minutes.
Alright, it's on 7 minutes. What's the
Did you just see that?
7:13.
7:13, okay.
7:15.
So we got 3 minutes left. Okay.
7:19.
So we got 3 minutes left.
Basically. Basically 2.
Still one.
Must keep it. Don't.
Yeah, I think that one's kind of getting dirty. But it is pretty awesome that we got to record that. Alright, turn the camera around. I think we got enough.
Okay. End it.
Oh, I just saw that. 2 at the same time?
Oh. Yeah, I'm coming.
What?
I'm coming.
Yeah.
You want me to end it?
I'm getting my panther.
You want me to end it?
Keep it up there before you end it.
I'm coming. I got it. I'm just... Alright, is it still recording?
Yeah.
Alright, that was the thunderstorm that we ever recorded. The first thunderstorm we've ever recorded.
No, we
Like 10 minutes?
no. We put it.
Yeah, it's like 8:30. 8 minutes, 30 seconds.
That's pretty wrong.
Thomas,
Whoa, I just saw that!
you got that?
Yes! It lit up the trees!
I just saw that one too!
It lit up the trees! You could see the trees!
No, did you see that one we were inside?
Guys, we're running out of time. We have like on 9 minutes.
It's on 9 minutes.
Well, 8:50, yeah, basically 9 minutes right now.
Alright, well,
Basically 9 minutes right now. Yeah, 9:04. I'll stop it very soon.
Whoa, did you just see that?
I'll have to stop it very soon.
I wonder where your house is, James.
No, I'll just keep recording.
Is your house down here?
end it because it's gonna...
No, trust me. We have plenty. We have like. I'll.
Why do you want the video to be so long?
No, just do it. Just end it. Hurry up.
We're fine.
Alright, tell them to change it to 95.
This is Anakin Mountain 97. This is our thunderstorm record. Join us.
And this is Crab.
Alright, bye guys.
This is.
Hit in, hurry.